be inviting.
We're going to invite you to a Zoom workshop. And Carlos was used to Zoom. And the turtle is trying to cross the highway. And two snails came and robbed them. And the police came and said, "What happened?" And the turtle says, "Oh, it happened so fast, I don't remember." And that's what our Zoom workshop is going to be. It's going to be fast. You want to have a paper and a pencil to take down information. You're going to have your camera ready so you can take a picture of the screen. Because here's what happened. Greenfield, Greendale, and Franklin, Park and Rec, has invited us to do Zoom workshops. The sophisticated equipment that Greenfield has is going to make it classy. And the reason that our workshops are so popular is that the services get 1 minute to tell you things that you don't know. I'm so confident in this that that you won't. If you can name 3 things that you watched and you already know, we'll give you double your money back. So join us, and remember, love thy neighbor loves you.